Today we are going to discuss about the computer integrated manufacturing, simply called as SIM. So let's get into this video. Computer integrated manufacturing is a system that uses automated vehicles or the machines to perform the engineering functions. The SIM system applies the computer and the communication technology, and it connects the machines together and integrate in a regular basis so that the manufacturing operations can be done at a correct point, so that we can control all the operations or machines inside the factory through the computer itself. This is a chart explains the SIM. The factory operations consists of the business functions, that is the market research or a survey taken from the people, and it is developed into a design, then it's sent to a manufacturing department so that it can perform the manufacturing functions, and finally the products are controlled or quality checked in the manufacturing control. The design, manufacturing planning and manufacturing control comes under the scope of CAD and CAM, that is computer aided drafting as well as computer aided machining. And the business functions, design, manufacturing and manufacturing control are come under the scope of SIM, that is the computer integrated manufacturing. Then what are all the elements of the SIM? First of all, the business functions. It consists of the order entry, accounting, payroll, customer billing, etc. Then design process, that is CAD. It includes the geometric modeling of the product and analysis of the product, design review and evaluation, and automated drafting. Then comes to machining or the manufacturing of the design in the manufacturing plant. It involves the cost estimation of the product, how much cost is required for the product to be produced in the plant, and computer aided process planning, what process are to be sequentially performed on the particular product, and NC part programming and computerized work standards and MRP capacity planning, etc. Finally, CAM. It involves the process control, how the short time the process or an operation to be completed within a time for the particular product, and process monitoring, whether the process for the particular product is performing well or not, and choosing the optimum time for the particular process so that the product or a profit earned from the particular product can be increased for the industry. And shop floor control, computer aided inspection. Then what are the functions of SIM? The function is to the firm's operations related to production are incorporated in an integrated computer system to assist, augment and to operate the operations and automate it, so that a person can able to run a industry with the use the help of computer. Then this is a simple illustration showing the complete manufacturing of a product. First of all, the design engineer collect the information from the market research team about the what are all the requirements needed by the customer or the end user, and then he performs a design process. And the engineering development performs a design and stored it in a server or a computer. Then this production department assess the design and perform the steps, and what are all the steps needed to process or produce this product is listed in this production definition department. Then engineering release. This department check whether there is an error in the process design or process sheet and performs particular corrections. Then it is sent to a manufacturing definition department, so that what are the manufacturing operations to be done in a product, and how it is to be ordered or how it is to be sequenced in a optimum way. Then manufacturing process is done so that it can be produced. Finally, the plant operations and other operations for the marketing are done and final product is we get. And customer orders are initially entered by the company's sales force, and directly it is computerized order entry system get the information and sent to the requiring departments. Then new products are designed on a CAD system. The components that comprise the product are designed. The bill of materials, that is what are all the raw materials or the parts needed to perform or produce a product, is listed in a set of table is called a bill of materials, and assembly drawings are prepared. Then the output of the design department serves as a input to manufacturing engineering, where process planning, tool design and similar activities are accomplished to prepare for production. Then the output from the manufacturing engineering provides input to the production planning and control, where material requirement planning and scheduling are performed using the computer. Steps for the implementation of SIM. So, what are the benefits of SIM? It decreases the manufacturing cost because all the processes are automated, so there is a less labor, computer integrated so that we can check any defect is present in particular department or not, and increase in the product quality, increase in the productivity of the components, increase in customer responsiveness, decrease in the inventory cost, increased flexibility and increased production control. These are all the implementation of SIM. First of all, assessment, that is getting information from the enterprises such as technology, human resource and system, so that we can choose an optimum decision. Then simplification, implementation with performance measures. Assessment of the enterprise. In the first of all, we want to know about the technology that to be used in the industry and human resources, how much amount of humans are required and tendency of humans to resist the implementation of new technology. Otherwise a strike will appear inside the industry from the worker side, so that a collaboration or discussion between the workers and the industry head should be made so that a smooth process can be implemented. And the current state of employee readiness for the adoption of SIM across the enterprise, because if we perform some automated systems in an industry, the workers will lose their job, so that it will not affect, it will not able, it will not it will not affect. We have to decide whether it will affect the worker or not. And system, the reason why production system functions as they do. Then characteristics of SIM. Computer integrated manufacturing is the manufacturing approach of using computers to control the entire production process and the manufacturing plant. This integration allows individual process to exchange info with each other and initiate the actions, and through computer integration productivity increased, errors should be minimized, and ability to create automated manufacturing process will help the industry to run their industry at a normal or the easiest way. And a SIM is reliable on a closed loop control process based on real time input from sensors, so there will be not difficulty in this SIM. The term SIM is both for a method of manufacturing, as the name of computer automated system. In a SIM system, functional areas such as design, analysis, planning, purchasing, cost, accounting, inventory control and distribution are linked through the computer with factory floor functions such as material handling and management, providing the direct control and monitoring of all operations. So A distinct feature of manufacturing today is the mass customization. This implies that through the products are manufactured in large quantities, products must incorporate customer specific changes, because if you're producing the same product throughout the entire year, the customers will get bored towards the product and they will not buy that product. If we make changes, they people are get attracted toward the product only, so that the profit of the company is increasing. Then what are the various activities of SIM are listed: the flexible manufacturing system, database, shipping, CNC, simulation, purchase, drafting, analysis, finite element analysis, CAD, finance, etc. These are all the various activities in the SIM. SIM software. SIM, the computer integrated manufacturing needs software. The softwares that are used are the management information system, sales and marketing and finance, database management, modeling and design, analysis, simulation, communications, monitoring, production control, manufacturing area control, etc. The SIM encompasses the entire range of product development and manufacturing activities, with all the functions being carried out with the help of a software packages. Then SIM reduces the human interaction or the human component of manufacturing, and thereby relieves the slow and expensive process leading to error prone components. The SIM produced components are defect or error free because the automated system will never get tired, bored, and they will not get hunger, because they are electronic. But if a human produce a component, a set of components, the first component and the last component will have the major variability because of its concentration on the work, and break between the interval break between the first and the last component, etc. These are all the natural causes for the error. SIM hardware. These are all the hardware such as computers, controllers, network devices, interfacing equipments, DNCs, CNCs, PLCs, etc. Benefits of SIM. So, creation of a truly interactive system that enables manufacturing functions to communicate easily with other related functional units, and accurate data transferability among the manufacturing plant or subcontracting facilities at in-plant or diverse locations, fast responses, increased flexibility towards introduction of a new product, and improved accuracy and quality in the manufacturing system, and improved quality of the products, control of data flow among various units, and maintenance of user library for system wide data, and reduction of the lead time, so that we can get a more profit and generates a competitive advantage. Streamline manufacturing flow from order to delivery. And if an order is placed, it must be processed and finally it is delivered in a shorter time, and easier training and retraining facilities. So this is a short video, friends. If you like this video, put a thumbs up and share this video to your friends to gain knowledge, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. So thank you for watching.